how me say it to her. Me say, intend, you know, she say, Jada Kingdom cuss off Kavi over TikTok. Why she do that? Me say, why she cuss off Kavi? Kavi a nice girl, you know, Kavi no trouble people. I see something me say today when me and Shea talk. Me no story no share. Me say, why she do that? Kavi a nice girl. I love Jada, but Kavi a nice girl. Kavi no black people. Kavi no do them something. Why she go pick pan Kavi? So good girl, your blood clot tell me say blood clot twinkle look free bag from Misha not girl in bag. Dirty girl that you say. Naughty Dracula. And your blood clot tell me say Jada Kingdom a walk a pick out blood clot argument because Kavi no do nothing for true. And all Jada Kingdom a walk a try look a free bag from me. She have to pay for every blood clot one because me she not get a free bag. And that you tell me. So me that go pick up for Mish. And Jada Kingdom a get with money. And if Jada and Mish are good a friend than me. And if blood clot Mish not get Jada in a bag. Me if you go pick up for Mish in a Kavi war. And you should me never get in a bag neither. Moody even get a discount. Moody get a blood clot discount. You walk and chat everybody. And you tell me say can I use blood clot, use wig for my head. So good girl. Me copy your blood clot house. Me copy your house.
Nora said no. See there, she start by the same old color things them like
me copy your house, girl. No long time me have me furniture them.
She was following the same shit I had.
Yeah.
Even this.
Yeah.
On a talk truth. And let's see something like this in a Vanny house.
Where me fi stay from see this in your house?
Y'all don't see some shit like this in Vanny house?
Yeah. So y'all alone by them, yeah. Yeah.
I thought it was about lashes, but she went in other shit.
Alright.
I'm talking about people like...
Alright. Ask her when she buy them, yeah. I could add her. Tell her for add me. Ask her when she buy them here. The last apartment where blood clot she live in when I go do my lash. You don't have none of them here in here. You don't have none of them here in here. Intend never have that brown thing because she never have space to put that in the last apartment where she there. The last apartment where she there before she there in the apartment here now, she never have no space to put them there. If anybody, me go see if she can go find our video them. Let me see if she can find anything when she in her living room. When she there the other house. Well on. She never have none of them there in her house. I remember she say our new place where she there right now, I've never went in there. So how would I even know you have those stuff? How would I even know you had those stuff? I'm going to go up on ice page go find her because she just black my black car back. Wait. Okay, I'm going on my Instagram. What is that? Hold on. Hold on, chat. I will put one code in for going on my Instagram. The last apartment where she live, for sure you say, so you have me up in your check. Rascal, you see, everything have to come to the light. Everything have to come to the light. So all one time me I come up there for do my lash. You swear things that me I copy everything what you do. And as a friend, you know, look for me and say, Vani, why you copy me or something? How much for copy you? Bitch, when I come at your house, I can't go on my Instagram, you know. Bitch, when I come in at your house, I find her. I can't ever go up on my Instagram. You see the house, what she did, the apartment, what she did in her first, she never have. I never suggest this. I'm a people them suggest this. I'm an ex-man suggest this. Me go in a Burlington and I ask, I think me and King they used today. And me ask which one of them here me for buy and a King pick out that. I never pick that out. What you talk about? This right here, so me could talk about this. Me go Walmart with a list. That's why I do everything pan live. So you can't tell no lie upon me. Me go Walmart with a list for buy stuff for ice. I go and I saw this chair. and send me a bite. And the people them say Vani don't bite. It couldn't even fit in my car. Me that wonder 1 hour me sit down and wonder how me gonna fit it. When the man I say you nah go when the man I say you nah go it nah go fit in your car, me still bite. When me a follow one of a dirty so good girl. My room is not even all that for say me a follow you. I just one piece of chair there so. One blood clot chair there so. 2 look side table there so. And a look bed. Everybody have them bed at in 10. You go up on TikTok, everybody have them a bed in a different color. And you alone have them and you introduce me to them. You talk about my bad man here with heels and bag. Intense. Your heels them come from at $3,000 for your heels them. Girl, them heels don't ever pass $40. And $40 for my blood clot heels them pan Fashion Over and $50 and Shein and $10 I pay for them yeah. Where you talk about follow your bitch. You buy sphere something them expensive. About $13 for me look go heels. Me look slippers them I'm buying a TJ Maxx. Me buy me look things them pan Shein for me look $10 and $5 and $20 them. What kind of follow me a follow you? Yeah, come talk about style. I be a cheap bag them ya girl. The dearest bag me have here is that one. What me getting now? Me no know where me go. The dearest bag me have here is that. The other second dear bag me have is this. What me get from Couch. And then the other dearest bag me have is this. Girl, I be a cheap things. Me have a mommy sweetness buy me this. And this. I be a little cheap bag me have. Them a bag you come from TJ Maxx. A TJ Maxx, them a little bag you come from them Couch. My bag from Couch. I be a little cheap things. Me have what kind of follow me want follow you, girl? Me could go downstairs and talk about it because you want to talk about blood clot follow. You want to talk about follow. You want to talk about follow. Intense, you have one big old white couch. For me, a couch, I want 2 different blood clot couch. Oh, this a couch, I have to size up with your couch. My couch unique na blood clot. Everything where the girl them up on TikTok in a it your follow. Everything where the look a celebrity them have you want to run up and follow. Which part in this look now like for your place? A total different place this. For no couch them where everybody have. For me couch unique. I'm not seen a young girl with couch like this. My couch little and unique and a long time I have this. From the very first day I move in my place, I have my couch. I been want to sell it for upgrade, but then I don't want to hear say me a follow a bitch. I'm glad me never do it. Because see they live for tell me to they say me follow you. I want them I put one white couch for my blood clot for my list. If me did buy it, you hear say me a follow you. I'm glad me stick to this. Fear look a couch pan, fear something nice and neat. Hello. What go on your son? Are you alone want nude place? A long time I have my place in a different color. Today me a black, tomorrow me a nude. Me still have up my black curtain them, bitch. You're something a brown and nude and mine a that. You just buy for something them what year. And you buy them after I put up my blood clot Amazon wishlist. Cause you text me and ask me say which one of them I think look good. Guys, you see the same dining set I have for my table? The bitch put it up and say she gon' buy it. And then me have some little white and gold chain. You know what she do? She reply to it and say, I'm gonna get you those. You say you're gonna get me them for my birthday, some white and gold blood clot chain. I put on my Amazon. You say you're gonna get me them for my birthday. I'm live to see you talk since night and I show for your gold chair. I say, you me a follow. So you that really buy me them for come run, come cuss me, say, you me a follow? You that really buy me them and come run, come cuss me, say, you me a follow? So good girl. Where I talk about? Me not see no look decoration, nice look stuff. For your house is a 2 different something from mine. Me have a black one, so you me follow and have one too. Yes, I me follow you. Me have a brown one, so oh me have a black one. If you go on TikTok and you type in house decor, the first thing you see is this. Everybody have them, yeah. Everybody have them there. Everybody have them. What you talk about? Everybody have them. Them supposed to go in a house. Them supposed to go in a house. Where the fuck you talk about? What do you want buy ice? Want something? I'm gonna tell you so no, you can't buy ice that him not ready feed. And Nara, me say with it what do you? So you don't want buy ice it for come say me follow you, me a follow Nara, come suck up my pussy that is stinking girl. You want buy everything for come turn around. What are we in a semi streaming room look like yours? You have a streaming room in yours so look like something where you have to? Cut it out, you know. In yours so look like something where you have? Me look like me a follow Nara room too? Me look like me a follow Nara too? Girl is a bitch. And Nara birthday. My buy Nara her look a bike and her look a things them. And you don't ever come say you buy ice nothing for film birthday. So good girl. You see when me suck up mama go lick out Nicki Minaj pussy. Go suck your mother batty boy. Go suck out Nicki Minaj pussy and Nicki Minaj a feel your rent. Go name out your dead mama. Your mama where you not have drunk and you can't team. You not stop call long my phone and me not answer your dog shit. Me have over 30 missed call from you. I'm gonna look on you. What do you call me about, Ivany? You know, come on live, come play match. Me have to tell you something up on the phone with me liar. That's how much me no want to talk to you. I'm tired of you ring down my phone. Ivany, come and take down Rosalie them. Ivany, we not make no money because Rosalie them are the pan. Come we take them down. Come and start with one series. Ivany, come go suck your mother, Blamdem. We could have link up with you. Ivany, Skenga keep a party in a blood clot Atlanta. Me go link up. Me think me can really come and link up with you. Go suck your mama, you fall off. The only time you fall and when Nicki Minaj come over, you come send you give go chuck through Nicki Minaj pussy, go suck your mother batty boy and all a black. You fall off. You have to lift on people to get a hype. Ring out your mama and come off of my screen and go lick out Nicki Minaj rotten pussy. Go ahead. So good. I'm a black you know. Bitch.